when I was watching the news, when we got into the 5-day forecast for Waterloo region, I see this. Wind chill values are going to be minus 26, 90 kilometers an hour winds, 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. And that goes for Saturday. If it's 70 kilometers an hour, wind chill values are 20, and we'll have 5 to 15 centimeters. This is too cold for me. Schools are gonna be closed. All Waterloo Catholic District school board schools and Waterloo Region District School Board and all the other schools are gonna get closed because of this weather. But good luck for me, because yesterday my mom decided to let me have an extended Christmas break. He took me to school today. She took me to school today, and I had a great day there. And yes, I live in the Waterloo region, and I'm Canadian. I live in Kitchener. And this is not what I was expecting. Schools are getting closed tomorrow. Probably Friday. Probably tomorrow. Yeah. And Christmas break actually starts on Monday. But I am not expecting our wind chills to be minus 26 with heavy snow. I guess, you know what? That's all I have to say to you guys. I have to get going right now before the coldest temperatures comes. Bye, guys.